What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a storage shelf. I've been Sam's Club humping. Wow, that is crazy. I have been Sam's Club hopping, okay? Not humping. All right, so I've been Sam's Club hopping, and this shelving right here, you guys, wired shelving, 30 bucks. $30, you guys, for this wire shelving right here. So the width of this thing is 36 inches as far as the width goes. Depth of this thing is 14 inches. So you have 14 inches of shelving. And then the height is 56 inches. It does say you get 4 adjustable shelves. So that's nice. And up to 300 pounds per shelf with the leveling feet, not with the wheels. I believe I may use the leveling feet instead of the wheels. I am not truly sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I do know the location I'm going to put this. It will not be in the garage. It will be in the storage shed. So I'm gonna put it together here, but then I will finalize it in the storage shed, but I'm just gonna put it together here for you guys, all right? Why did I get a wire shelving? Because my shed had rats. But even if it's this small, for me, it's a rat. Let's go ahead and unbox this and start putting this thing together. Let's go ahead and get into it. These are your slip sleeves. These are your slip sleeves. Tongue twister. All right, you have your bottom poles, 4 bottom poles, 4 top poles, 4 shelves. You need a wrench, in which they provided a wrench for you, but you know, as people that's always occupied, we have tools around. So we have our own wrench if needed. And then you have your 4 feet. So these are the adjustable feet right here. I think I'm gonna use the feet. So I'm not worried about the wheels. If I was in the garage, if I kept this in the garage, I'll use wheels, but this will be in the shed. So it'll be in the stationary corner. Yeah, so it was supposed to say screw these into either B or C so you know which one to screw it in. So they didn't really tell us, but I told y'all. So here we are. All right, putting in the leveling feet. Screws in very well. We got all 4 of those on. It says tip, count the number of grooves from the bottom of the pole to keep the height consistent. Okay. So step 2, snap slip sleeves A around the grooves on bottom poles. They have an arrow that says top on it. I know y'all can't really see it, but it says top right there. And then remember, they say count the grooves. So let's say I went on 1, 2. Okay, that's better. Now I get it. Okay. It hugs right onto the pole. Great. All right, so wherever groove you want to put it on, that is your decision, is your opinion, is, yeah, basically your decision. All right, so this says top. I have it aiming up. Obviously, this is the bottom. We are going to go ahead and snap this together. And I'm going to stay, and it snaps right on in. That way I can see underneath. If anything is underneath, I'll blow it out of there. All right. All right. Just kidding. Well, not really. Fit shelf D over the top of 4 poles. Now, these shelves are not numbered, so all the shelves should be the same. That's how we are going to go off of this. So we are going to slide the shelf down the 4 poles. How I'm going to do that, I don't know right now, but y'all will watch me struggle while I do this. I'm going to slide it right here. All right, I got one in. Two. Three. And then, oh, it's running away from me, you guys. 4. All right. Oh, that wasn't that bad. I thought I would struggle more than that. Have it going down, have it going down. And I got these in the way. All right. So what I'm gonna do is push it down. Or does it? Is it already pushed down? No. Push. All right. It's in. Let me see. Yep. It's in, you guys. All right. So once you push your rack onto the black sleeves, it's in there. This is only $30. This is only $30. I love Sam's Club. I love Sam's Club and Costco, you guys. I hope those stores never go away. I hope they never go away. All right. So that is set. What I'm going to do right now, as y'all know, I'll probably fast forward you guys. Y'all see it's like rinse, wash, and repeat. What I'll do is basically have Choco, I have bird food, I have all types of stuff going on. And you see, it fits Choco. I can put 2 bags of Choco right there. Well, this is a small bag of Choco, but I do have Sam's Club double pack bag right there, and I'll show y'all that in a little bit so y'all can see what fits on here or not. Oh, yeah. Made in Vietnam. Don't know if that means anything to anybody. All right. Now we have these poles right here. This is obviously the top because the top have a black cap on it. All right. And then the bottom have threads. I believe I have to go up one more. There we go, you guys. Now we good. I had to go up one more. But everything is fine. Everything is in. And I'm happy. This is basically what it's gonna look like in my shed. I have my double bag of Choco. Yes, we cook out a lot here, you guys. Whew. Why am I struggling with all this? All right, you guys, so that is it. That is the shelving right there, you guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You guys, for $30, and look, I still have room. I still have room. So this will be in the shed. Yeah, this is awesome. I will show y'all the final results of what it looked like in the shed. But if you don't want to see that part, obviously you can go ahead and log it out. All right, you guys, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.